Laurel, Indiana High School was established in 1956 and closed in 1989. Is it haunted? We'll find out.
Hey lovelies, how are you guys tonight? We are back. Welcome back to my channel, Storytime with Stephanie. I am here tonight with, you can see Tina in the background, Miss Ashlee, and this is our friend Dale. We are at the Laurel, Indiana High School that was built in 1956 and it was closed in 1989. However, they still have kept it open as a community center because they feel like this is what's going to save their little town from going extinct. So we are here to check it out. We've already felt some things. I'm shaking right now, if you can't tell from the camera. And we are excited to get started. So let's get spooky.
In 1956, the small town of Laurel, Indiana, had a population of 600 people. They built a high school with the largest gymnasium around. They loved their basketball teams and lived for those games. Their population grew to about 800 people while the high school was in existence. In 1989, it closed down and they merged with Franklin County. Their population plummeted to about 500 people. They have less than 500 people today in this small town. However, they keep this gym open because they're hoping it can help save their town. Do you think this gymnasium can save the small town of Laurel? I guess we'll find out.
Hey guys. Ashlee's currently using the divining rods, the dowsing rods, whatever it is you want to call them. We are in the middle of the gymnasium, the basketball gym. We also have a new app we're trying tonight. It's called Ghost Tube. It's an EVP recorder. It's like an ovulus and an EMF sensor.
You need to go in that locker room.
So far it said Lady and Harry. You want to tell us what's going on there, Miss Ashlee?
Well, it's going to sound insane, but I was asking questions in my head. I asked the rods to point where we needed to go.
Blacksmith.
And then it pointed to the locker room doors. And then I thought in my head, cross the rods if we need to go to the locker room, and it crossed the rods.
Spirits, we come in peace and respect, and we just want to tell some stories. We have Ashlee to my left. I'm Stephanie. Tina is to my right. And we also have Dale to my right. We are currently in the locker room as the divining rods asked us to come here. Do we have any spirits here that would like to talk to us? If you are here, please make your presence known.
I'm not getting any, like nothing. It's just static, but it did feel like somebody
Tapped on it?
like, it felt like somebody tapped on my earmuff.
Okay, spirits, we have several ways you can talk to us. Ashlee has a spirit box. She can tell us what you're saying. We have this black flashlight right here. You can turn that on if you would like to. We have this ghost tube app.
Bloody.
Fabulous. What is bloody? And we also have these dowsing rods over here that Tina has. Would you like to tell us what you mean by bloody?
Leave here.
Leave here. You want us to leave here?
Did somebody just knock on something?
Yes.
One of you guys did? Okay.
It just told us to leave here. It told us to leave here.
Said to leave here? Nah. We're not gonna leave until you talk to me.
If you want us to leave here, you need to turn on that flashlight, please. Or tell Ashlee through the spirit box, please. Or you can also tell Tina through the divining rods. We need a second.
That's better. You gotta speak louder.
Thank you. If you want us to really leave here, will you please turn on that black flashlight sitting by the shower? And if you do, we will leave this room.
All right, somebody let us in here, and now you're not gonna talk to me? You don't have to be afraid.
Okay, you guys, we are going into the creepy furnace / boiler room. Look at this creepy sink. Hey guys, this is where they keep their security cameras. That's their security camera. You can leave that out here, we won't need it.
Somebody's hurt.
Oh wow. As soon as I hit this threshold, heavy chest. Okay, so you know what's funny, you guys?
Okay, I'm gonna curse. What?
Everywhere these guys down in Florida investigate, there's Christmas decorations.
Well,
And here are Christmas decorations.
okay. All right. Now I'm just freaking myself out. It felt like somebody tugged on the back of my shirt, but I'm gonna ignore that. All right, let's see if we can get anybody to talk. It's gonna be loud. I'm gonna regret this.
Is that a painting or what is that of that dog? Aw. That's a random thing to be there. And this is the back door. And it's like does it slide one way or the other or up? Okay, Ashlee is putting on her spirit box and headphones.
Another Bible laying over here.
Wait, what? Another random Bible, you guys. Another random Bible. What did it say?
Where am I?
Okay, you keep asking us where you are.
Why are you here?
Why are we here? We would like to talk to any spirits that are here with us to tell your story. Did you go to this high school when it was open? Were you here before the high school? Why are you here? Can you tell us why you're here?
Who is he?
Who are you?
Did I miss something?
That is Dale. Who are you?
What did I miss?
They asked, who is he?
Who is he? Oh, who are you? That's
He's-
what they said. Who
I'm
is
the
he?
only he in here.
He's the only he that we know of. Why do you want to know who he is? Spirits, if you are here and want to talk to us, you can either touch that black box in the middle of the floor with the red glowing light on top of it. You can go over here to Tina and make those divining rods cross. You can talk to Ashlee, who has a spirit box you can speak through. She'll hear you. You can turn this flashlight on over here if you prefer. You can touch this phone or black box right here that you're speaking through, or you can speak through it. Your choice. Is there something you want to tell us about going to this high school?
Murdered.
Okay. Who was murdered? Were you murdered at this high school?
Can you turn that flashlight off, please?
Sissing.
Okay, she said it wrong. Psychic. Okay, if that's the case, you
I have the strongest urge to provoke, and I never get like this.
don't, because you're freaking me out.
I don't know why, but I like.
What is your name?
Okay, you need to talk to Tina. You said psychic. You need to talk to Tina. If you want to talk to Tina, can you cross those rods?
Good job. Turn it all the way off. You gotta turn that flashlight all the way off. Try to for a second. Good job.
Good job. Thank you.
All right. If you would really like to talk, can you please turn it back on just so we know for sure you're here? We're not talking through the spirit box. We're talking to the victim of a murder. I am so sorry for being aggressive, and I'm not usually like this.
Heart attack.
If we're talking to the victim, can you please turn the flashlight on so we can know your story? Oh, that's
Wow.
not funny. Turn the flashlight off, please. I asked a really, really bad question in my head, but I don't know. I don't know if that had anything to do with it. I said, are we talking to the person who committed the murder?
And how long did it take for the flashlight?
Instant.
Wow.
Can you turn that flashlight back off, please? You okay?
Mm-hmm. Got a name.
You got a name?
Mm-hmm. Turn off that flashlight so I can ask my question.
Satan.
Did you just say Satan?
Yes.
Right. We don't welcome you here.
We do not welcome Satan.
Why did you come?
We-
I don't feel like there's like a demon. I feel like this person's just nasty. You know what I mean?
Which is why it's making you want to provoke.
Just like, I feel like it's just a nasty man. And I think think he's just trying to scare us. You can't scare me.
We already told you why we came.
Catherine.
What did you do to Catherine?
Yeah, what did you do to Catherine?
Cross these rods if you can hear us talking to you.
Statue.
Wow, that was...
How?
Can you straighten these back out, please?
You had to have felt that, Ashlee.
You gotta straighten them. Oh, I accidentally moved a little bit. Thank you. Are you mad because we're here? Can you cross the rods if you don't like us being in your space?
The tourmaline and the rose quartz in my right hand pocket are on fire right now.
Gerald.
That's not the same name you had earlier, was it?
Mm-mm.
No, that is not the name in my notebook.
And that's not the name you were thinking a minute ago? Okay.
Okay, well, you didn't cross the rods, so you're not mad that we're here.
I feel like they're pointing because they're both going the same exact direction.
Point the rods on where you want us to go. Let me straighten back out first, just in case. It's like, I want you at the door.
Right.
All right, stop, sorry. Gotta get them steady. Okay.
Susan.
Is it okay that we're in here? Cross the rods if it is okay to be in here. Like all the way, cross the rods all the way.
Chair.
Can you straighten them back out for me, please?
Wow.
Who in here is it that you like? Point both the rods to the person that you like the best. I don't know what that means. Straighten it out, please. Straighten the rods back out, please.
Hello.
Hello. Who are we talking with now?
Possessed.
What did you possess? Because you're not possessed, so what did you possess?
Did you hurt somebody in here? You said the doorway, right, Tina?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
As in this doorway right here?
Behind you, yeah. That's where it keeps pointing. Yep, across the rods.
Yep.
Is that where you hurt well, okay, straighten them back out, please. This is how we can talk. I think you've already established this, but can you straighten them back out, please? All the way. Thank you. Cross the rods if that is where you hurt somebody. If the doorway is where you hurt somebody, cross the rods. Like the number?
Mm-hmm.
Can you straighten it back out for me, please? Well, 10 is also X in Roman numerals.
Mm-hmm.
Straighten it back out for me, please.
Eight.
Huh?
8.
If you've got this kind of energy to move these rods like you are, I know you can manipulate the flashlight.
And we definitely know you can manipulate the REM pod.
If you go over there and touch that REM pod, that would be amazing. Are you remorseful for what you did? If you are happy with what you did, cross these rods.
Lady. Behind you.
Well, that's not very nice. Straighten them out, please.
Ask if it was a lady that they hurt.
Can you straighten them out, please? Oh gosh, I moved. That's why it swung. Not my left one, though. My right one, I accidentally moved. This dude has so much energy.
Well, if this spirit, if you have so much energy, everybody would be so impressed if you would turn that flashlight out and also go touch this black box right here with this glowing red on top of it. You can light up so many pretty colors for us, and you will get all the recognition.
Dude, he's telling you no. Do you see this rod in my left hand?
Yeah.
Just swinging back and forth like, nope.
Well, then you're not as powerful as we thought you were.
Is there something you want? You cross the rods if there's something you want.
Hey lovelies, that wraps up another night of Storytime with Stephanie. If you liked this video, please give us a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and hit that alert button so you'll be alerted every time that we upload a video. And until next week, stay spooky.